Many healthcare providers have told us that type 2 diabetes is a progressive chronic disease that gets worse over time. Others have told their patients to take their drugs and eat whatever food they want and wait to die. Because according to them, the type 2 diabetes is chronic and incurable. What if I told you today that what you have been told is a fantastic lie? What if I told you that type 2 diabetes is purely a dietary disease that is curable with the right approach? Surprised? Baffled? Let's find out. Welcome to Ask AJC Health YouTube channel. On this channel we are 100% concerned about your overall good health, well-being and lifestyle. Feel free to visit our health and wellness blog and join our online community at Ask AJC Health website, www.askajchealth.com. And do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This will help with YouTube algorithms in showing you quality content such as this. Let's jump right in. In today's video, where we explore 4 daily super hacks that can help you reverse type 2 diabetes and regain control of your health. With simple lifestyle changes, you can make a positive impact on your well-being and walk away from taking drugs completely. And bid goodbye to type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a condition characterized by high blood sugar levels due to insulin resistance. Fortunately, research has shown that certain lifestyle interventions can effectively reverse this condition. Hack number 1. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and promote weight loss. Simply put, if you can, at all costs delay eating. By restricting the time window in which you eat, your body can use stored glucose and fat for energy, leading to better blood sugar control and increased insulin sensitivity. Remember to start gradually and listen to your body's cues during the fasting period. Intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, so consult with your healthcare provider before starting. Hack number 2. Low-carb diet. A low-carb diet focuses on reducing the intake of carbohydrates, particularly refined sugars and processed grains. This approach can improve blood sugar control, promote weight loss, and enhance insulin sensitivity. Low-carb food options includes vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains. By replacing high-carb foods with nutrient-dense, low-carb alternatives, you can stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the need for excess insulin production. Remember to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare provider to ensure your low-carb diet meets your nutritional needs. Hack number 3. Manage stress and prioritize sleep. Stress and inadequate sleep can contribute to insulin resistance and hinder your progress in reversing type 2 diabetes. It's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress and prioritize quality sleep. Follow stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and engaging in hobbies or activities that bring joy. By reducing stress levels and ensuring adequate rest, you can improve insulin sensitivity, enhance your overall well-being, and support your body's natural healing processes. Hack number 4. Daily physical activity. Regular physical activity is crucial for reversing type 2 diabetes. Exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity, lowers blood sugar levels, and promotes weight loss. It is highly recommended you take on physical activities such as walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, strength training, etc. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Remember, even small increments of physical activity throughout the day can add up and have a significant impact on your blood sugar control. By incorporating intermittent fasting, adopting a low-carb diet, managing stress, prioritizing sleep, and engaging in daily physical activity, you can take control of your type 2 diabetes and improve your quality of life. Are you a type 2 diabetic? Do you have a friend or family member who lives on insulin pumps? Please do not stop at watching this video and keeping it to yourself. Please reach out to everyone you know and share this video. You never know, you might help save someone to walk away from drugs, expensive pills, and insulin pumps. Feel free to share your comments and feedback in the comment section below. Also follow the link in the video description to watch full interview of Dr. Jason Fung. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe to our channel. That way we will continue to bring you great contents and more health tips. See you on the next video.
Thank you.